Hey guys, well, I was thinking about some of the questions and some of the concerns that I've seen in your discussions, and most of it revolved around using the symbology and having things like Greek letters accessible from your keyboard that you can use in the equation editor, and it might help you in navigating quickly through some of the problems rather than trying to figure out what keys are what for you to get to symbols. So I remembered that on my Mac, I have a keyboard setting that you might be able to get to. Those of you that have a Mac, I mean, you can follow this verbatim. If you don't have a Mac, I'm not exactly sure how you would do it using a PC or a PC laptop. I'll have to look at it and see if I can find something. Those of you that are following this and understand it and have a PC laptop, you may already know the answer, and you may be able to share it with us. But basically, what it comes down to on a Mac is you'll notice up here on the top menu bar, there's a little flag, a little American flag, and when you click on that, what you're going to get is this keyboard screen. So what this does is this takes care of your keyboard presentation. So in this case, when I clicked on it, what I have here is the input sources highlighted. And so right now the keys are set up for a US keyboard. But what this allows you to do is if you click down here on the Macintosh, if you click on the plus sign down here, you're going to get a whole list of other representations or inputs on your keyboard. So, you know, if you are a foreign language speaker and you want to be able to switch between your language and the English, you can select that. So what I have currently selected is English and Greek. And so what the Greek does is gives me the Greek alphabet. Okay, so since I've got this already set up, at this point, I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm just going to hit the cancel key. So now you can see what shows up is I have two entries here, US and Greek for the keyboard. And so what it allows me to do then is up here on the menu bar is when I click this, it will open up US or Greek. And so I can select which keyboard that I want to use. So when I'm doing symbology like theta and phi and rho and omega, some of these others, and I can't get to it quickly on the keyboard, I switch to Greek, and that allows me to do the inputs very, very quickly. Okay, it has some limited applications, but I do know that it works in Canvas in areas where you cannot use the equation editor, where you're forced to use text. You'll notice down here it says show the input menu in the menu bar, and that's what I just showed you here. That's what it's doing. It also gives you a shortcut instruction. Use the caps key to switch to and from US, and so if you select that, when you use the caps lock key, it allows you to switch quickly. And it also has automatically switched to a documents input source. Okay, so that is a quick way to set up your keyboard for Greek symbols, which we will be using a lot in these engineering, technology, and EGG related courses. So I hope that helps and makes things easier for you when using the text editor versus the equation editor in Canvas.